Hello everyone, this is Maths class 11, Fundamental Principle of Counting. This is the question which I got as a doubt from one of you. So let us see what is it. There are 5 routes for a journey from station A to station B. There are 5 routes. In how many different ways can a person go from A to B and return also, if for returning any of the routes is taken? So in the first part, first of all, we have to go from A to B, and doing that we have 5 different routes. So ultimately we have 5 ways of reaching A to B. Then from B to A, any of the routes, 5 रास्ते हैं A से B पर जाने के लिए, that means B से A पर वापस आने के लिए भी 5 ways हैं, and the question is any of the routes is taken as return. So again to come back we have 5 ways from B to A. So total ways we have 25, because जाना भी है and वापस भी आना है. In case of and we multiply. So 25 possible ways he can go and return by all different routes, any route. Now the same route is taken as a return. That means from A to B again he can go by any of the 5 routes. 5 choices हैं उसके पास. Either he can go by the route 1 or 2 or 3. So adding 1 5 times he has 5 choices. But the question is return के लिए the same route is taken. So जिस भी रास्ते से गया है same रास्ते से वापस आना है. So to come back he has exactly one way, no other choice. So from A to B, number of choices are 5. From B to A, he is left with only one choice, the one which he has used for A to B. With the same way he has to come back. So 5 ways only he can come back with the same way. Now last part, the same route is not taken. That means again A to B 5 ways, but B to A, the one he has gone with, he do not has to use that. जिस रास्ते से वो गया है उसको वो रास्ता यूज़ नहीं करना. The same route is not taken. So A से B पर जाने के लिए उसके पास 5 रूट्स हैं, 5 ways, 5 choices. But B to A, that one choice has been removed जिससे वो आया था, out of the 5. एक ही रूट से तो आया होगा. So वो रूट निकाल के we have 4 possible ways left for him to return. So total is 20 ways. I hope this question is clear now.